Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia Brera espresso machine, but first the joke. Did you hear the one about the roof? Never mind, it's over your head. Okay, so onto the machine. We did a tune-up on this machine, replaced the brew valve, this guy here, gaskets underneath the brew valve too. There's a set of gaskets that go in through here. And the gasket on the brew infuser, and deep cleaned the screen, deep cleaned the machine, descaled it, cleaned the spouts, and yeah, I think that's the gist of it. And so let's go ahead and test the machine. Let's pour a shot. So we get a nice shot of espresso. Let's test the steam. Oh, now I see a lot of water, so that could be a problem. It might go. Get some water quick. Welcome to our sink. Our fabulous sink. I'm sure very interesting. And now we can make steam. Good steam. Let's just see how much water's in the tray after one shot. So yeah, that's a pretty normal amount of water, liquid in the tray for these machines. We'll check this guy too. Nice and steamy in there. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.